So next we'll move on to the, see here I have a multiplication table. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया 3 4 12, 3 into 4 is give you 12. कैसे ये पता करना है ना? For that you have tables, multiplication table we can say that. So here what you have to do children, see you have to do number 1. 1 को आप 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 आ जाएगा. 1 into 1 gives you 1. So any number you, if you multiply with number 1, gives you the same number only. For example again, 3 into 1 is equal to 1 or 3. Here I told you any number is multiplied by 1 gives you the same number. Here 3 is there and here 1 is there. If you multiply these two numbers you will get 3 only. Okay, 3 is the your answer. So like this children, if you multiply 5 into 1, the answer will be 5 only. Any number you can take 1000, 100, lakhs, whatever number, if you multiply this with 1, you will get the same number only. Okay. So here 1 into 1 gives you 1, 1 into 2 gives you 2, 1 into 3, so on you multiply. See on the screen I am showing you. 1 into 3 gives you 3, 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 1 into 6 is equal to 6, like that 1 into 10 equal to 10. And next you have to multiply this with the 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So every time you have to add 2 each time. So here 2 into 1 you got 2, right? So for this 2, if you add 2, you will get 2 into 2. Then 2 into 3 means 2 number है, कितने टाइम ऐड करना है? 3 times ऐड करना है. 2 into 3 means you have to add 2 for 3 times. Then you will get 6. And then 2 into 4 means 2 number है, you have to add it for 4 times. So it will give you 4 into 2 into 4 gives you 8. Like that 2 into 5 you have to add 5 times. So it will become 10. 2 into 6 it will become 12. 2 into 7 gives you 14. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Like that children, in the table 3 you have, we can pronounce it as, we can call this one as 3 ones are 3 or 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. Instead of saying 1 into 1 like this, we can say 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, like this. Okay. Then 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. Like this children, you have to write till 3 tens are 30. In the same we are having on the screen 4 table and 5 table as well as table 6. Okay. So if you learn till table 10, then you can easily tell that then 4 into 3 is equal to 12, like this. You remember those table children, then multiplication will be easy for you. So children, here I told you that if you multiplied any number with 1 gives you the same number, right? So like that, if you multiplied any number with 0, for example 4 into 0 gives you 0 only, or 100 into 0 gives you 0 only, 99 into 0 gives you 0 only. So here any number, if you multiplied that number with 0, the result will be, the product will be 0 only. Okay, is it clear children? So concentrate on the tables, how to frame that. Means every time if I say table number 2 means every time you have to add number 2 repeatedly. Okay, if I say table 3 to 3, you have to add 3 repeatedly. For 3, if you add 3 again, it will become 6. If you add again 3, it will become 9. So like this. If you add 3 2 times, 3 into 2, it will become 6. If you add 3 3 times, it will become 3 into 3 gives you 9. So if you add 4 times, 3 into 4, it will gives you 12. Like this, children, you have to form table till 10 times. 3 into 10 times gives you 30. You can also do later also, but for you this much is enough. Okay. So till table number 5 you can do that. And children, here we have day to day we are using multiplication in our daily life. For example, Rahim went to shop with his father to buy some items of stationery. आप भी जाते हो ना स्टेशनरी आइटम, आपको पेंसिल्स या इरेज़र, शार्पनर कुछ भी चाहिए तो आप स्टेशनरी शॉप जाके ले जाते हो, है ना. लाइक दैट रहीम ही वेंट टू शॉप ऑफ स्टेशनरी आइटम्स with his father. So there he takes 3 notebooks, 4 pencils and 6 chocolates and 5 pens. Okay. So how much he took, children? 3 books, 4 pencil, 6 chocolates and 5 pens. So let's find how much money is spent by his father on each item. So cost of each notebook is rupees 6. So उसने कितना बुक्स ले लिया? 3. So 3 into 6 gives you 18. मीन्स बुक्स का नंबर कितना है? 3 है. एक बुक के लिए कितना? 6 रुपीज़. तो 6 6 6 3 times if you add, then you will get 18, isn't it? Instead of adding, if you know the table number 3, 3 6 18, you can say directly. Okay. So next, cost of pencil. Each pencil is of cost 2 rupees. So he has purchased how many pencils? 4 pencils. So here 4 into 2. 4 pencils cost कितना है? 2 है. So एक बार मतलब एक पेंसिल के लिए 2 रुपीज़, और एक पेंसिल के लिए 2 रुपीज़, और एक पेंसिल के लिए 2 रुपीज़ and 2 rupees like this. So if you add 2 rupees for 4 times, you will get 4 into 2 gives you 8 like this. And then cost of chocolate is rupees 1. He has purchased 6 chocolates. So 6 into 1, how much, children? As I have told you, any number multiplied by 1 gives you the same number. It is 6 into 1 gives you 6 only. And then cost of each pen is rupees 5. So 5 pens are there and each pen is carrying 5 marks. This is 5 mark. This is 5 rupees. This pen 5 rupees. This pen 5 rupees. 5 rupees, 5 rupees. So 5 pens के लिए 5 rupees आप 5 times add किया तो आपको 5 into 5 gives you 25. Isn't it? So children, here for 3 notebook, Rahim's father spent 18 rupees, and 4 pencils he spent 8 rupees, and then for 6 chocolate he spent 6 rupees only, and then for 5 pens he has spent 25 rupees. Is that clear? Let's take another example of Divya. See, for the school day, Divya brought 3 meter ribbon. आपके स्कूल एनुअल फंक्शन के लिए आप अलग अलग जो भी चीज़ आपको चाहिए वो आप स्टेशनरी जाके दे लेते हो, है ना. दुकान शॉप लेके शॉप में आप जाके कुछ भी चाहिए तो आप लेके आते हो. जैसे कि दिव्या का स्कूल डे के लिए उसने क्या किया? 3 मीटर रिबन ले लिया उसने, और 2 pairs ऑफ बैंगल्स ले लिया, एंड 4 पैकेट्स ऑफ बिंदीज. बिंदीज मीन्स द स्टिकर्स. देन the cost of each item is given below. Then find the amount spent by Divya on these items. This is our question. So here items, here on the screen I am showing you, children, आइटम्स एंड द रिस्पेक्टिव कॉस्ट. सो रिबन का कॉस्ट है ₹5, बैंगल्स ₹8 and bindi is ₹3 each. So here cost 1 meter of ribbon is ₹5. So she has bought 3 meter ribbon. So it will become 3 into 5 gives you 15. Then cost of one pair of bangle is ₹8 and then उसने 2 pairs of bangle खरीदा तो 2 into 8 gives you 16 and then एक पैकेट बिंदी ले लिया. फॉर 1 पैकेट बिंदी इट इज़ ₹3. शी हैज़ बॉट 4 पैकेट्स ऑफ बिंदी. 1 पैकेट के लिए ₹3 है. सो 4 पैकेट मीन्स 4 into 3 gives you 12. सो कितना पैसा उसने दे दिया सब मिला के. पहले रिबन के लिए ₹15 एंड देन बैंगल्स के लिए ₹16 and then bindi के लिए ₹12. If you add these all numbers, you will get the amount which he has been spent in the shop. That is ₹43. Amount spent by Divya is ₹43. Is that clear, children? How to do multiplication and then how to add them if you find out the total amount. And here multiplication of here we have learned that how to do multiplication of only one digit or single digit. Now we are going to learn multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Okay. So here again I am telling you with an example. So to buy bangles for Gauri Ganesha festival, Rekha's mother takes her to bangle store. Rekha's mother take her to bangle store to buy bangles फॉर गणेश फेस्टिवल. रेखा के लिए उसके मदर ने बैंगल्स खरीदने के लिए शॉप को लेके गए और शी बाइज 3 डजन ऑफ बैंगल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स. तो उन्होंने उधर क्या किया 3 डजन बैंगल्स ले लिया विथ डिफरेंट कलर्स. देन द शॉपकीपर रोल्स ईच डजन ऑफ बैंगल्स इन डिफरेंट पेपर एंड पुट्स देम इन अ कवर. जैसे आप देखते हो ना कि बैंगल्स 1 डज़न का बैंगल ले लिया तो एक कवर में एक पेपर कवर में वो रख के ऐसे रोल करके पैक करके रखते हैं, है ना. जैसे 3 डज़न उन्होंने पैक करके दिया उनको. तो रेखा आस्क्ड हर मदर हाउ मेनी बैंगल्स आर देयर इन द कवर मम्मा. शी आस्क्ड हर मदर. देन 1 डज़न बैंगल्स मीन्स व्हाट शी डोंट नो. That in each cover 1 dozen means how many bangles are there in that cover mama. She asked to her mother. Then her mother replied that Rekha 1 dozen means how much 12 bangles. If you say 12 instead of saying 12 you can say only 1 dozen. For example banana, instead of saying 12 banana if you say 1 dozen, give me 1 dozen banana, then the vendor will give you one bunch banana. If it is having 12 number he will give you like that. So here how to find out the total number of bangles. In one packet it is 1 dozen. 1 dozen is nothing but 12 bangles. So like that she is having 3 different colors, 3 different packets. So in first step what we have to do, split 12 into 10 and 2. The 12 means it is dozen, right? So you have to split this one into 10 and 2. So how much it will become? See on the screen children what we are going to do here. We have split this 12 into 10 plus 2. Then you have to multiply these two numbers with 3 because she is having 3 different bangles, right? And then after multiplying 10 by 3 you will get 30, है ना. 10 into 3 gives you 30 and 2 by 3 if you multiply 2 by 3 you will get 6. So when after getting 30 and 6 you have to add them together. So it will become 36. 30 plus 6 gives you 36. Therefore children the product of 12 into 3 gives you 36. है ना. कैसे किया हमने पहले 12 को स्प्लिट किया 10 एंड 2 में, बाद में ईच मल्टीप्लाई करके हमने आंसर रखा तो 12 into 3 gives you 36. So there are 36 bangles in 3 dozen. Got it? In each dozen it is having 12 bangles. So in 3 dozen totally the bangles are 36. How we have done this one? 12 into 3.